Caruso coming to you here with your currency outlook for the day. First, we'll take a look at the jobless claims numbers this morning. We did see those hit 234,000. That is a 44-year low on the jobless claims number. So that's an encouraging outlook as far as the job picture is concerned. Other than that, it's been a relatively light week on the economic news front. Taking a look at the action of the currencies, right now the dollar is up 35, 161 is where we're trading right now. We came into this morning relatively flat to lower. We did get a tweet from Donald Trump today saying that we should expect more news regarding his tax reform plan within the next 2 to 3 weeks. And if you go back on your chart and look at a 5-minute, right when that tweet hit the board, you did see the U.S. dollar springboard higher. So we are pressing the highs here, trading 161 up 35 points. Inversely, taking a look at the euro currency, actually I want to go back to the U.S. dollar real quick. I do have a trading range in the U.S. dollar. The market has largely been in a downtrend for the past 2 to 3 weeks. I think it's best to, when you're trading the U.S. dollar, because I've had a lot of questions about it, just manage the trading range. Right now, my range, you can look at the top end of the range as resistance, the low end of the range as support. Right now, I've got a range of 101.50 all the way back to 99. So you want to manage that trading range when you're trading the dollar. So right now, the dollar appears as if the path of least resistance is turning back to the upside. We got to wait and see how we finish here today, but you certainly want to manage that trading range. Looking at the euro inversely, down 25 points, 106.72. We did hear from Draghi late last week. He has no intentions of tapering QE, so that's going to continue to run on throughout the course of the year. We did see them trim, actually. They announced them trimming back from 80 billion a month to 60 billion a month. That was announced this past December, but they then extended it all the way through this year. So it's really not a taper at all. The path of least resistance of the euro is still very much to the downside. Again, similar to the dollar, you want to manage the trading range. Right now we're at 106.72. I have downside support. The low end of the range is approximately 106 with the top end around 108. So that's what you want to look for in the euro. Looking at the British pound, trading 125.20. I've mentioned this in previous reports. We do like the upside of the British pound. However, we want to be patient. We've got the range of the pound sitting about 124 to 127. So right now, we're in the lower half of that trading range, trading at 125.20. But when you look at the fundamentals, we did see when we saw final GDP estimates out of Great Britain, they grew at a 2.2% clip, which was the strongest growth figure out of any other developed nation in the world. So the British pound is still something we're looking at, just not quite yet. 2.2% on growth, and we do see inflation expectations for Great Britain picking up as well. So that's something we're going to keep an eye on. That's all I have for you for now. For more trading ranges and any other commentary, please feel free to give me a call at the desk.